Hello everybody, my name is Rina. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Something quite important that we need to know in Python is that Python can allow us also to do some basic visualization. Okay. For instance, let's take a look in this df. You want to have a basic visualization of column glucose. Okay. Let's see, we want to make it as a histogram. You say hist. It gives you a basic visualization. Okay, this is histogram. Now to just make it clean and remove this, you just put a semicolon, you run it again, so it's cleaner here. You get a histogram with respect to column glucose. Let us say we want to do a box plot. Let us say for column glucose, I'm taking specific column because if you take the whole data set, it will be messy because it's a lot of information. You do df glucose.plot, kind, you do box. You want to have a box plot. Okay. So this is your box plot with respect to glucose. Something important that I have to tell you here is that when you do kind, you do shift tab. Here you see the different visualization that you can use. You can use line, bar, hist, box, density, pie, scatter. Okay, you don't have to remember all this. You have it here in shift tab. You have everything, what is possible, what does this line of code expects from you. So this is with respect to visualization. You have also other commands using seaborn. For seaborn, you have to use this command SNS. SNS, for instance, we do box plot. There should be an X, okay? X, for instance, you want to see, let's take glucose, okay? Let's go to the df glucose. This is a visualization with respect to SNS. This is the box plot that we created with SNS. This is with matplotlib. So it's quite different. You can choose whether you want to use seaborn or matplotlib. But at the top, normally we import both just as a beginning because you don't know which visualization you're going to use. So it depends on you. Let us say we want to do a histogram with the density. Okay, you can do sns.histogram df glucose this KD you have to put it true. His plot, sorry. So here you see it is a mistake where it tells you that module seaborn has no attribute histogram. Then what to do? You have a line here. It says this. So it pinpoints histogram. It is wrong. Here you have to then remember that it's not histogram, it is his plot. Here you get a histogram with the KDE, the density. In Python, what is good is that whenever you're doing a mistake, there's an error which pops up. It will tell you which line there's an error in which line. Then you have to focus on this line and see what is the error and you have to solve it. Okay, this is the beauty of Python. It doesn't let you wonder what is wrong. It gives you precise information. You can do also scatter plot where you define your X again. Your Y. We're taking just an example because this data set, you have to see logically which Y is against X is against Y, what are the values that you have to input, okay? This just as an example I'm showing you. Let us say our X is glucose and our Y is blood pressure. Let's see. Here you get a scatter plot with respect to glucose against blood pressure. So the values are very scattered, okay? For instance, if the glucose is, you have glucose 100, the blood pressure varies. It depends if there's a correlation between glucose and blood pressure. There's more research to do. You can explore and see what do you want to put as an X, what do you want to put as a Y. So this is a bit about visualization. It is quite more detailed in terms of size, in terms of color that you can change, the graphics, etc. You can put grid lines at the back to be able to have better measurements. These are more complex and you can explore. So this is it. I hope you understood a bit about how the basic visualization, what can Python allow us to do when we are exploring our data. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.